Hey y'all, it's Karen Denton, your KSC bidding consultant and owner of KSC Commercial Cleaning Services. And I just want to put out something just real quick. I started my cleaning company when I was 50 years old. Now let that sink in. 50. And I didn't have it all figured out. I just had the courage to start. And I was looking at my numbers, and since 2020, my business has paid out over $9,843 in cost of goods sold. Now that's money in the hands of workers, contractors, and families. And that's impact. You never know how many lives your business will touch until you step out and build it. So if you've been sitting on your dream, it's time. Because if I could do it, you can do it too. Let's build something that matters. Let's build legacy.